Priscilla Almeida in Canada. Oh, hindi to picture. Ano to? Video. Welcome to Canada. Yun lang. na kami sa Canada. Yahoo! Isibuko por sale? Tara bulbul.
Dadaan na naman tayo sa ano ngayon. X-ray na. Passport, sir.
Kunin na namin aming mga bagahe. Priscilla Almeida in Canada. Oo, hindi to picture. Ano to? Video. Welcome to Canada. Yun lang. Lalabas na kami ng airport para ma-explore na namin ang Vancouver, Canada. So, ayun po. Wala ba tayong welcome party, te? Party lang. Ayan na, si Priscilla Almeida. Dito na kami kumain sa airport at gutom na si ate. Ayan yung mga kape, umanik-anik lang. Mura pagkain dito. Ayan tayo, mainit oh. Kain sa Canada. Is this your first time here? No? Ano in-order ni ate?
Ano yan?
But it's not scrambled egg. It's regular egg, I said. And whatever kind of egg.
Ah, meron pala.
May tinidor dyan yan.
Eh, ba't kami sabi wala?
Walang scrambled
Halika
egg.
dito, share ka.
Ano naman yan sa'yo?
Wrap.
Dito rin ako model.
Wala nga talagang ano.
Halika dito, share ka.
Walang scrambled egg. Sabi niya, scrambled daw nilalagay mo.
Sabi niya ate, mura daw pagkain dito. Yung in-order nila ay $16 Canadian. Ito naman $9. Ito magkano binayaran mo dyan sa lahat na yan? 16 din? 16 Canadian dollars mga kuracha. Pero si ate po ng lansones. Sino ka mas, kuya? Sino ka mas? Kuya, naglilihi. Si ate. Naglilihi si ate.
Oo.
Oo. Ang airport. Kuracha. At yan. So, ganito pala ang Canada.
Taxi lang.
Ang lamig. Parang US din. This is our first day in Canada. Tapos na kami kumain. Update lang po mga kuracha. So, ito po ang Canada, Vancouver. Yan po yung mga taxi nila. Yan si Dompy. Gahanap kami ng masasakyan. Papunta sa aming hotel. Ay, SM, Teo! Ayan. Ito, parang SM, ano? Ang ganda ng plants nila. Ayun, no? Nakakuracha. Natatakip po muna tong init, eh. No? Nasa taxi na kami, mga kuracha. We're heading to our hotel. So, nasa Canada po kami. We are here in Canada right now. We're heading to our hotel. This is our first Uber here. We're done eating our snack.
And out of that, I'm
The time check is
but right now the customer
11 a.m.
but drivers are getting
US time. Same time Canada siya.
Suppose how
So,
much you paid for
update lang po.
the lot
Diba?
of
Turista
lot
dating.
follow
Dami ni
the
Don P.
cars.
Oh.
There were very
Oh,
less cars.
in Canada.
But right now it's like a lot will be filled with the like 200 cars, and there are like many hundreds of cars on the road.
Wow. Look at that, mga kuracha.
So like the driver like wanting
Mamasyal muna kami rito. And then we'll head to another country. Wow. Blessed.
Yeah.
So ito po, here is Canada. I'm showing you part of Vancouver.
On the very northeast.
Oh, very
It's the border of the that is on the south side.
Versace on the road.
Sri Lanka, yeah. That the Buddha ashram?
No, I think it's part of
Maharishi.
Yes.
I'm not familiar with that, yeah. Employees under them like 10, 15, having like 3-4 vans, they have no jobs. Like painting, but right now they're like 50 painting companies. There was like lack of the jobs, because in Surrey if they want to do the Surrey, there will be no jobs. They have to go out in any other city. That is also a reason that people are saying that no jobs, no opportunity. But if anybody wants to get a job, to get a business, right, they have to go yeah, 8 male and 2 female there, 3 female there. Them and 12 3 himself. And the third person, the C person, he is also doing really good. He had his company one, and second opened in the Richmond, and third in the Lithuania. So this is the effort they are doing here. Depend on how you guys are doing, right? How you guys are doing. Somewhat the network also, like how you do networking.
Vancouver, Canada. Kalain mo, nakarating na ako dito sa Canada. Wow, well traveled lang, kuracha. Maaliwalas po dito. Ito po ang Canada.
And the temperature will be normal to be no rain this week. I think in the coming week also no rain will be.
Shout out to our Uber driver.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this building. It looks like a building. Kahit ganun. University Canada. University Canada pala yun.
Yeah, the quality in many others.
So there's 6 months earlier, you couldn't find sweet.
Dito na kami sa aming ito yung mga bagong salta sa probinsya. Kami na nga to. Para yan lang dala-dala mo. Nandito kami sa aming hotel, which is so iwanan muna namin ang aming gamit dito para kami ay makapaglamir diday. Oh. Yun lang.